Hello, I'm Lauren from Treadway Equipped, and I'm here today to introduce the Steiner LT245 two-post hoist. This hoist has a 4.5 ton load capacity, clear floor, direct drive cylinders, can come in single phase or 3-phase. This lift is also designed and manufactured with your S-bend column to give it extra rigidity and strength. The S-bend column is also excellent when it comes to putting all the cables through it. Allows the hoist to look extremely clean and professional in your workshop. This is the perfect lift for busy workshops and car dealerships who want a reliable hoist that allows them to lift anything from a small compact city car to the larger SUVs and vans that we have to deal with today. Let me run over a few of the key benefits and features of this two-post hoist. First of all, this hoist has an excellent working height of 1.99 metres. This allows for your taller techs to still be able to work underneath it comfortably. Even at its maximum lifting height of 1.99, you will still be able to fit most of your large vans and SUVs on, thanks to its excellent overall height of 3.9 metres. This Steiner lift comes with the asymmetric Ezi-reach arms. At the rear, we have your longer 2-stage arm, and at the front, we have our shorter 3-stage arm. It can also be set up with the columns on an angle to give you a true asymmetrical configuration. Let's take a look at the locks on this hoist. Your main locking half circle is a proper machined piece of steel, not just cast, giving it extra strength. And you'll notice that the teeth are a sturdy, deep groove to reduce any risk of the arm slipping. The locks are very easily released by pulling up on these simple knobs here. Right, next I'm going to show you how easy it is to operate the Steiner LT245 clear floor two-post. We have a simple, clean control box where everything's one button operation. So we have one button for your up. We have a lock button. And the best part about it is when it comes to lowering the lift, that's just a simple one button operation. Firstly, it lifts up, releases the locks electronically, and the lift lowers, all with one simple push. No more having to make sure both hands are free. This hoist comes with a number of safety features. First of all, you'll notice that the motor is higher up the column, moving this out of the way and reducing the chance of it getting knocked by your head or a vehicle. On the inside of the columns, we have safety plastic barriers to stop doors getting damaged when they're opened. You have your padded overhead limit bar, and also on the inside you'll notice these very professional covers protecting the ram and the cables. This Steiner LT245 hoist comes complete with a set of adapters as well. And with these adapters, I've made sure it's got a proper tab on it so that it sits in place and there's no way it can move and slip. These also have a handy storage position on the side of the hoist where they fit just like that.